Hi Millie, are you ready? Are you excited? We call it business. Stocking.
Yeah, you can call it ties also.
We have the size.
If one size smaller will be size 10, but here will be like a bit